So this first DIY gift from the Dollar Tree is going to be a movie night themed gift basket. First, you're going to need 2 of these plastic popcorn containers from the Dollar Tree. These are just in the container aisle right on the top shelf. And then you're going to add in some popcorn. I grabbed these 2 boxes of popcorn also from the Dollar Tree, a bag of Red Vines, and then of course some hot drinks, some hot cocoa, and some cider. You can throw in any type of snacks, candy that you want into here, just anything that you think the person that you're giving it to would like for their movie night. I also added in some red tissue paper, and then I added in the movies. And you wouldn't have to make this a movie night themed gift basket. You could also make this a game night themed gift basket and add a few games in there, just depending on the person that you're giving it to, if you think they would prefer a movie themed gift basket or a game gift basket. And you could add a bow on the front of this, or you could tie a ribbon around it, but I just decided to just add 2 of these little gift bows to the top just to dress it up a bit. And there you go. There is your finished movie night gift basket. Such a great gift and super inexpensive, but it looks like you did spend a lot of money. Probably the most you're going to spend on this gift is on the movies or the games. Next, we're going to be piecing together a gift basket for a guy. First off, you're going to need one of these plastic toolboxes. These are actually great little toolboxes considering that they're only $1. So you're just going to open that up and start filling it up with all of your stuff. I just walked through the hardware aisle at Dollar Tree and just grabbed a bunch of neat looking things. First off, I got one of these screwdriver sets. These are really neat to have. And then I also grabbed one of these multi-purpose knives, one of these camping lights. This looked really neat. Also grabbed one of these big hooks. You can always use those. And then I had to grab this little Bluetooth speaker because I thought a Bluetooth speaker for only $1, have to give that a try. Grabbed some of these peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. Also grabbed one of these beef jerky and cheese sticks. Most guys like beef jerky, so you can't go wrong with that. And these looked like great work gloves for only $1. Once I was done putting all the items in the toolbox, then I added in some more of that red tissue paper just to fill in any of the gaps. I also added a bow on the front of the toolbox. You wouldn't have to do this. I just think it adds a little bit of something extra to it, makes it look a little bit more fancy, and there you go, your gift basket is complete. I figured out that this only cost $10, and this looks like you probably spent at least $15 to $20. This next DIY gift I did share last Christmas, but it's just such a great idea that I had to share it again. So first off, you're going to need an oven mitt from the Dollar Tree. You can either get a Christmas themed one or just a regular oven mitt. And then next you're going to need either some brownie mix or some cookie mix. I'm going to be using the brownie mix today, and I also grabbed some of these shelled walnuts. If they like nuts, they can put them in the brownies. And then I also grabbed one of these spatulas to get the brownies out of the pan, and then a whisk as well. You can put any type of baking supplies in here that you want, measuring cups or whatever. First, I stuffed a little bit of tissue paper in the bottom just to fill it out a little bit, and then I just started stuffing the items in the top. Then I added a little bit of red tissue paper to the back of it just to dress it up a little bit, and then I tied a red ribbon around the middle of it, and I took some of the Christmas themed flower and greenery from the Dollar Tree and I tied it onto that ribbon on the top. And this gift is complete. This makes a great gift for somebody who likes to bake, and you could take this gift to the next level if you wanted to shop somewhere else other than the Dollar Tree and you wanted to spend a little bit more. You could get a really cute baking dish and just fill it up with all kinds of things for baking, like baking mixes and measuring cups. There's all kinds of ideas that you could come up with. I love coming up with a theme and then making a gift basket with it. For this next DIY gift, you're going to need a basket. I just used this little metal basket that I had on hand here at home, and then I took some of this tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. I wish that I would have just used regular tissue paper because this like foil paper was really fussy to work with and wrinkly. I didn't really like it, so I would recommend just using regular tissue paper. And then I took one of these really cute mugs. Now these would be cute to give as a gift just in themselves because you can write like who it's from on the top, just in a really cute packaging. And so I just stuck one of those in there, and then I also stuck in a package of hot chocolate, some hot cider, some teas, and some of these peppermint sticks. These are really good to stir in your coffee or your hot chocolate. You could also make this a coffee themed gift basket and put in the mugs and then bags of coffee and like syrups and all different kinds of things for a coffee bar. You could just come up with all kinds of ideas for this. And then to decorate the basket, I'm showing that you could use like one of these ornaments from the Dollar Tree, or you could use a bow, but I just left it the way it was. I thought that it looked really cute, just plain. I had to get some of these metal tins from the Dollar Tree because they were just so cute. They have all different kinds there. I picked out these two. These are my favorite. They have different shapes. I got the round one and the rectangular one. Now the first idea that I had for these was to get some candy from the Dollar Tree and fill these up with a mixture of candy. If you want Christmas candy for a party or whatever, go to the Dollar Tree. They have like aisles of Christmas candy. It's crazy. And these Christmas nuggets are so good. As you can see, we already opened the bag and we're eating some of them. So I just dumped a bunch of that candy in there and mixed it all up. And you don't even have to put a bow on this or anything because the tin is so cute. It's great packaging just in itself. Another idea for these tins is of course that you could put Christmas cookies in them, but I don't feel like they're quite big enough for Christmas cookies unless you weren't giving that many of them. I like to use the bigger plastic containers that they have at the Dollar Tree for Christmas cookies. I think I showed those in my DIY Christmas gift video last year. I also had to show you guys these little boxes of ribbon candy. The packaging on this is so pretty that you could give these as a gift in themselves. You could also give them as party favors at a Christmas party. And speaking of party favors, I got these like clear plastic, what do you call these? Like clear plastic ornaments that you would put on a tree, but these are for crafts. And I thought, oh, these would be great to fill up with candy and give as party favors at a Christmas party. And I just threw it in the cart without actually looking at the hole in the top. And there's probably not a whole lot of candy that would fit in this hole. None of the candy that I got would fit in there, but if you could find candy small enough to go in that hole, these would be the cutest party favors at a Christmas party. And then you could just tie a tag on the top of it that says like Merry Christmas or thanks for coming, something like that. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I may end up doing a part 2 to this before Christmas. We'll see how much you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!